Steve, not a great evening for a walk or picnic tonight.
It's damp, it's drizzly. It's not frigid, though. And this mild weather is going to stick around, but we also have a chance for some storms, so we have to monitor that. That's why we're in a first alert weather day for this evening through tonight, mainly area-wide, 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. Thinking closer to 8 p.m. this evening, we could start to see the rain move in St. Louis. Notice the higher level 2 out of 5 risk down to the south. I think this is in general the better risk for severe storms, even an isolated brief tornado not out of the question, but we'll be on guard for that from about I-70 in St. Louis and south as well. Just not right now. It's coming in at least the first round from the south and southwest out of Arkansas into southern Missouri. That's where that first round will be about 6 to 9 p.m. Then there'll be another round as this system pushes some rain and storms from out west our way overnight tonight, like 11 p.m. to about 3 a.m. As this system drags in some of that warmer, mild air, it may overcome the lack of storm fuel because we really don't have much storm fuel going on right now. So we have to monitor that. If we don't have enough storm fuel, the storms won't be strong or severe. So that could limit the severe threat altogether. We just need to remain alert because if we do get that storm fuel, we have the other ingredients in place. But boy, look how cloudy and damp, drizzly it is out there from the live look on the BJC Skycam network. This is from St. Louis Children's Hospital overlooking Forest Park. 59 degrees. Like I said, it's not frigid, but it is kind of damp and not a pretty day. But here we go with the rain as we head towards 6 o'clock. Might see an isolated shower here or there, but this is really where most of the rain is down to the south and southwest. Comes up and clips St. Louis, more widespread and persistent to the southeast. Probably a better chance for a strong to severe storm to the southeast and south as well. Then here we are by 10 o'clock, taking a little break before that rain off to the west moves in overnight. At this point, we'll see how much storm fuel we have, but if we do, we'll be here monitoring it closely for a severe threat at midnight and even through about 2 a.m. It's a low risk because of that questionable storm fuel, but if it's there, we'll be watching this closely for that severe threat overnight, but it's gone by the morning drive. So for many going back to work tomorrow morning, 62, in the morning. It's very mild, and in part because we're ahead of that front, but even on the backside of this front, there's no immediate cold air. The cold air is really lagging behind, way up to the north. So in the afternoon, we still have this fetch of mild air, and we'll hit a high of 68. We could tie or even break the record, which is 68 from 1939. It'll be breezy, partly cloudy in the afternoon. Might see an isolated shower storm east in Illinois in the afternoon, but I expect it to be dry in St. Louis. So after we get through the rain and storms tonight, it's dry for the morning commute, and it's a high of 68 for a nicer day tomorrow. Breezy, mild, 62 in the morning, maybe with some clouds, but turning partly cloudy. And look at lunchtime, 67. The evening drive, no problems. We're at 61 degrees. That cold air that's lagging behind, oh yeah, it's coming. Here we go. 42 by Wednesday, closer to normal. The normal high is 41, but our high's only in the 30s on Thursday. I wouldn't call that frigid when the normal high is 41. But when you're close to 70 and then you have highs in the 30s, this is going to be a big change over the next few days. That's something we're getting used to around here. Remember, it was a little over a week ago, it was -6, and now we're talking highs near 70. So we're going to be dealing with one of these big changes again, but it's the temperatures cooling off later this week. Wednesday, Thursday are the coldest days. There is a chance for some showers next weekend too on Saturday, but highs are kind of stabilizing a little closer to normal, upper 30s to 40s for the weekend.
Okay, doesn't look like anything too wild mixed in there.
No, let's get through tonight, this evening with the showers and storms, and we'll be keeping an eye on that severe threat for you.
All right, Steve, thanks.